wonder if we can blame the weather for that.
It's not looking too good out there.
It
Let's get a
certainly
check on things with meteorologist Dave Warren. He is in for Craig today. Lots of rain in the area. Dave?
Yes, blame the weather, not the weatherman here. We have a heavy rain that's coming through the area now. Flood advisory has been issued in northern Broward and then to Broward down to Miami-Dade. It may not extend into Miami-Dade because of this. The heaviest, most intense part of the thunderstorm has moved off the coast. That is where all the lightning is. There's still some downpours that are moving south. There's the Golden Glades and into Aventura there, but the heaviest storm is now pushing off the coast. That has been the trend. That's where all the lightning is. But still a lot of rain coming down around Hollywood and Dania Beach. It is starting to get a little lighter in Fort Lauderdale, ending up in Oakland Park. You're not out of the woods here in Pembroke Pines. This has developed along outflow from that storm, and the sea breeze kind of worked its way west there towards Weston and Southwest Ranches, and this will be drifting to the southeast, maybe crossing over 75. So inland Broward there to the south might get these brief downpour. Heaviest storm is off the coast though, so those flood advisories in effect till 6:15 to the north, 7 o'clock to the south. Watch that in that area. Could be dealing with some flooding there for the next, say, hour and a half or so. 75 in Miami, that's rain cool there. 74 in Fort Lauderdale, Key West, no rain there. Temperature is at 89 degrees. There's where the rain was. It has not quite rained, or it was rained earlier, but had a chance to warm up in West Kendall and Homestead, where it's now into the mid to low 80s. Satellite and radar shows exactly what's happening, why this may not change here for the next day or so, or maybe even this week. There's an upper level low that's spinning here across the southeast, and the air around that is out of the west there up in the atmosphere, so that keeps the rain along the east coast, and those storms develop along the Gulf Coast as well. Enough moisture here is just south of Lake Okeechobee where we get these showers and storms developing today. We'll calm a bit here overnight tonight. The activity diminishes there after 8 o'clock, so maybe just a stray shower tonight. Start the day with some sunshine tomorrow. There's the sea breeze, a few showers and storms developing, maybe not as widespread or as heavy as today. Another round of this comes Wednesday afternoon. There are the storms developing, and that will continue here. So we have these flooding downpours moving through the area now. Again, the heaviest rain has just moved off the coast. Storms will end early tonight. Spotty storms continue Tuesday and Wednesday, and we get a little drier by the end of the week, but that could allow things to really heat up. Not heating up in the tropics. Things are quiet here over the next 5 days. 89, strong sun tomorrow. A few storms develop. That wind is east at 5 to 10 miles an hour. 2-foot seas, light chop in the bays. Surf temperatures 81 degrees. Up into the 90s there Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Sunshine and just a few storms. A little drier air comes in over the weekend, but we do keep these storms in the forecast. Back to you.